we'll guide you through how to make a video with CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the CapCut website. Once there, you'll need to log in or create an account if you haven't already. After logging in, look for the Create New Project button, usually located at the top of the page, and click it to start a new video project. Now, you'll see the main editing interface. To import your video clips, click the Import button, which you'll find on the left side of the screen. Select the video files you want to use from your computer and upload them. Once your files are uploaded, drag them into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can arrange your clips in the order you want. To trim a clip, click on the edge of the clip in the timeline and drag it to the desired length. You can add transitions between clips by clicking on the Transitions tab above the timeline. Choose your preferred transition and drag it between two clips. To add text, click on the Text tab on the left, choose a style, and drag it onto the timeline above your video clips. Double-click the text in the preview window to edit it. If you want to include music, click on the Audio tab, upload an audio file, and drag it to the audio track in the timeline. Adjust the volume by clicking on the audio clip and using the volume slider. Once you're satisfied with your video, click the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution and format. Then click Export again to save your video to your computer. That's it. You've just created a video using CapCut. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.